Welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this tutorial, we'll show you how to create a playlist from a video on YouTube using your PC. Let's get started. Step 1. Open YouTube on your PC. Step 2. Go to the watch page of the video that you want to add to your playlist. Step 3. Click on the More button, which is represented by 3 dots. Step 4. From the options that appear, click on Save, indicated by 3 lines and a plus icon. Step 5. Next, click on Create New Playlist. Step 6. Enter a name for your playlist in the provided field. Step 7. Use the box to select your playlist's privacy setting. If you choose Private, only you will be able to view the playlist. Step 8. Finally, click on Create to finalize the creation of your playlist. By following these simple steps, you can easily organize your favorite videos into playlists to enhance your viewing experience on YouTube. That's it. You've successfully learned how to create a playlist from a video on YouTube using your PC. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more informative content. Thank you for watching.